What's going on, YouTube? Welcome in. Today we've got another beautiful build for you. Today we're building in the CH560 digital. On top of that beautiful Deepcool CH560, we got the Deepcool Assassin 4S coming in. That's the brand new white mini Assassin that we're going to be cooling today in today's system. The 7000 X3D paired with a 4070 Super, 6000 CL30 RAM, a 1TB KC3000 NVMe drive, and this beautiful system we're going to be powered by the Deepcool PX850G, which is the P850G, which is going to be the 850 watt ATX 3.0 power supply coming in from Deepcool as well. Absolutely beautiful system. This is actually be going over on our quick ship systems over on our website, which people can go over and check out anytime. We always have systems ready to ship on SenseBuilt.com. If you like this system, make sure to hit that like button. If you want to see more of these beautiful systems, hit that subscribe button because we're posting these videos every week over here on YouTube. If you want to catch us live, unedited raw like it is right now as we record these intros, you can join us any Monday, Wednesday, or Friday over our Twitch channel at twitch.tv/stints at 10 a.m. Eastern. We hope to see you soon. Oh, it's beautiful. I mean, look at that right there. Whew. Look at that. That looks good. That looks real good. New motherboard today. Got the beautiful X670E Gaming Plus Wi-Fi. That's a nice little whiteout motherboard coming in today from MSI. We usually get the Edge once in a while, but this is priced almost exact same as the B650 Edge board. And we're like, you know what? Once you see it, it's got some beautiful white and blue aesthetics. Well, I'll get motherboard. Wait till you see it. It looks so good. It looks really sharp. So Ryan, you built this board, what, last week? Yeah, Ryan built with it last week. So we'll top down. It looks really clean. It's definitely a Stints Built themed board. Not that we told MSI to make it like this, it's just because it is, you know. If you like kind of like teal, like the Tiffany colors, and you like whites and silver, I mean, yeah, kind of hits. Kind of hits. It's got that it's kind of a silver and white theme, more silver than white. It looks white on all the renders, but it's more silver. But it looks good. I like the colors on it, you know, it's clean. This build is going to be called the Flurry, F-L-U-R-R-Y, on our website. Just to kind of have that snow feel because it's so white. That beautiful 700 X3D is going down the socket first. Socket's looking good. Let's get the CPU down and in. Morning, Dom. There we go. Price point, 1,900 bucks. 1,900. Let's get our standoffs we need for the cooler. You guys, you might remember this cooler. Like, didn't we just build this cooler recently? Yes, we did. And fortunately, in the system that could not support it. So we're gonna build it today. Assassin 4. All right, we get this screwed in and tightened down. All right, standoffs are all in place for the Assassin, looking good. Let's get our RAM out next, chat. All right, 6000 CL30 Team Delta RGB RAM. Beautiful RAM today. Beautiful Delta RAM today, 6000 megahertz at CL30 timings. There we go, beautiful Delta RAM. There we go, down and in, looking great. Everything's in place minus our NVMe drive we're gonna put in here later. We're waiting for it to come off the truck any minute. We have 7000 X3 down the socket on this beautiful X670E gaming board coming in from MSI. 7000 X3D, our standoffs are in place for the Assassin 4S, the brand new Assassin 4S coming from Deepcool. We have 32 gigs, 32 gigs, 2x16 of TeamForce Delta RGB from Team Group. That is 6000 CL30 RAM. Again, we'll have a KC3000 drive down here in our NVMe Gen 4 slot here momentarily and later. That being said, let's get our case out, which today we have the CH560 digital. Good looking case, good looking motherboard, and we have the digital version today, which is gonna have that front little temperature loadout from Deepcool. Houses all of our Elite systems, our Optimized Elite, and our regular Signature Elite systems. The Signature line is kind of like more of our entry-level systems, really for people who want to game and do office work and a little bit of everything. Still have really good performance, and then obviously the optimized tier of our website, our optimized system, they're really meant for like hardcore enthusiast gaming. We have everything from like our entry-level essentials, which is our 1500 X3D build, which is really good, up to our Pro build, which is the 700 X3D, the 4070 Ti Super, and then we have our Elite, which is gonna have the 4080. And we have our optimized Ultimate, which is like top line 1400K, top speed DDR5, and a 4090. So we have really hit every tier possible on those systems. The only thing I don't like on the back of this case is it comes with a fiasco of wires. And there's that fiasco that I'm talking about. In a second, chat, I'm going to go grab the drive really quick. We got our drive, chat. Let me put this in really quick. All right, drive is in. All right, let's go top down again. Get this beautiful motherboard in. All right. Looking good. All of our screws are down in this motherboard, into this case. There it is, chat. Looking great. great. I'm gonna take out this built-in RGB hub, which you do not need because the motherboard will control the RGB. You don't need to utilize this. All right, let's get our front panel connections in. We need our Type-C and our USB 3.0 header. There we go. USB 3 is gonna go down here. There we go, looking great. Let's go over here. All right, let's get to work on our extension cables, one for RGB and one for PWM. Then move on to the power supply after this. All right, this is just our RGB extension cable because it just ends right here. Not enough space to run it over, so we're gonna run this here. Yes, on AM5 builds, and anything with DDR5, we only recommend using two sticks because the IMCs on these CPUs aren't capable of really running 4 sticks unless you're running really low latency. Almost the cable management done back here, you can see. Time to move on to the power supply, which is 850G, which is more than enough power today. We just really wanted a good white power supply with white cables. Deepcool provides. Get our cables out we need today. No SATA, which is nice. We need like 3 cables. Oh, they give you the white power supply. Let me look at that. CPU 1 and 2, we need those. 24-pin main, and then our 12-volt high power. All right. All these other cables, tester, everything like that can go back in the motherboard box, along with our nice white power cable. Get all of our power cables in. All right, let's get our power supply in. Nice 4 cables today. 2 for CPU, 1 for GPU, 1 for motherboard. We get our dual CPU in. There's 1 and 2. Power switch in. These are our front panel connections. We have power switch and hard drive LED. Next we have RGB right here. RGB. Let's get our fan header in, and then HD audio. HD audio, USB. All right, looking good. All right. Use it to get our cables cleaned up back here. Let me go with HD audio. There we go. Good. Cables are good in the back. We have to just run our power cable, and then we have to run our 12-volt high power. Before we run the 12-volt high power, we're gonna work on getting this done here. This is our regular 12-volt high power, or 24-pin main. We have to run our 12-volt high power cable up and in. There we go. It's gonna be for our GPU later. There we go. All right, we're gonna top down. There's our cable management chat. We're gonna top down, and we're gonna work on our cooler. All right, there's our cooler. Let's get our fan down and in. It's all in, there we go. There we go, all right. Get this GPU out, chat. All right, 4070 Super. It's the MSI, it's the only white one they have right now. The Gaming X Slim has not come into the market. So we have the white 2-fan Ventus, which is actually plenty. These fans, these coolers, I mean these GPUs are nice and cool in the 4070 Super. It's a nice little beautiful Ventus in white today. There we go, chat. 3, 2, 1 with a thunk. There it is. Up and in we go with the 12-volt high power cable. There we go. Looking good. You guys ready to boot up this beautiful PC? Guys, thanks for coming in and liking another video here on YouTube. Make sure to hit that like button, help us with the algorithm. Make sure people find us and see all the beautiful PCs we build. If you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button as well. Remember, we build these systems live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday over on our Twitch channel at twitch.tv/stints. Come over, hang out, chat it up with us, watch us build beautiful PCs for everybody in the community. And remember, let's go.